Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon or rising any sign is Pisces, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, you can click on videos and look for your sign. So let's start with your love life. Let's see. You've got the Pope card and the Pepes card. Wow. I do see that the changes have started happening when it comes to your love life, the marriage. If you're thinking that no, I'm not getting married in the second week and we're not even talking about it, so if you fall in that category, let me tell you that behind the scenes things have started changing. You could actually be getting married or some sort of traditional ceremony engagement in the second week. If you're not, behind the scenes things are happening for you. What do you mean by behind the scenes? Is that your question? Well, let me tell you. That means that that person you were in contact with once and you stopped talking to them because they were not giving you commitment, because they were not ready. Maybe they were stuck on their past, maybe they had financial issues, or maybe they just did not believe in marriage. They've never thought that they could settle down with a person. Their thinking, their perspective, their mindset is changing. When they look at you, you are the only one they can think about. You are the only one they want to settle down with, right? So I do see that intuitively also, Pisces, you could be feeling that yes, some things are changing. Like you are also feeling very weirdly towards them, right? You know what I mean? Your intuition is telling you that something is going on with that person, that that person is going to approach you soon. So if that's how you feel, yes, that's going to happen. You're very, very wise. And if you think that you want to contact this person, you want to clear things out, you want to tell them that yes, I'm ready for marriage, then that could also happen. This is a card of action as well. If you think, how will this person contact me? I've blocked them from everywhere because they haven't changed, because they never committed to you, they were not even ready for marriage, they did not even believe in it, or they were so stuck up, or they had their own issues, baggage, whatever. Open the doors for them so that they can contact you. So if you have blocked them, please unblock them, right? If you want to contact them, please contact them, take some action. But I do see that the doors for marriage are opening for you. This person is thinking about it, you are thinking about it, and your marriage is very near if it is not happening. Either you will start talking about marriage in the second week with your friends, family, you will start thinking about it a lot more, or that person is thinking about it a lot more than you can ever think of. Yes, so definitely marriage is on the cards. Things are changing for you behind the scenes, right? Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Ten of Spades and the Lady card. Well, all this while, I do feel that maybe in your business or your career, people did not believe in you. It could be your job as well, where they thought that, that's just a pretty face, maybe no knowledge or maybe no hard work. But now, over the months or years, they have noticed you. Your company, your clients have appreciated you for your work. Now they believe in you. They believe that yes, you have that business knowledge. Yes, that you can handle your work properly and to the best of your capabilities. They will be giving you a lot of offers as well. A door of opportunities is opening for you in the month, in the second week, especially of April, where you will find that rapid developments are happening in your career. Your career, your business, your job is picking up at a faster rate. It could be that you could be getting promoted, getting bonus, or being rewarded in some way for your work. It could be that you just start getting clients. There will be so much success. Rapid developments means that things were so slow, so stuck up, that it almost felt like things are not moving. Now they will pick up a rocket speed. There will be so many orders for your business that you will not be able to handle it. There will be so many opportunities in your work that you will not be able to handle it. So get ready for a faster progress rate in your career. Maybe they were not sending you out to the client meeting. Now they will start. Maybe they were not sending you to for a traveling job. Now they will start because they have now started trusting you. The people around you, your bosses, your colleagues, your firm, your clients, your investors, they have started trusting you. They see you as a personality, not just good looking on the outside, but also having that brain as well. The famous saying that goes, beauty with brains, which applies to any gender, by the way. That is going to happen with you, where people see you as somebody who's smart and who can do the job well. So get ready for a lot of opportunities opening. If you were applying for job, you will be hearing a lot from people, a lot of companies, okay, in the second week. So get ready because you might as well have to choose and make a quick choice and quick decision. So I see a beautiful reading for the second week for you guys. I see major changes happening behind the scenes, on the scenes as well. So if you want to uh, resonate with this reading, if you want to comment, I claim this reading, you will be able to claim and manifest this reading faster. If you resonated with this reading, not if you want to resonate, if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any personal reading or rituals, I take personal bookings as well in different formats. Audio and video calls are also available. You can email me at asthasharma 842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram channel The Moksha Tarot. All these things with the correct spellings are mentioned in my bio as well as description box. I have very easy rituals available and very cheap services available. So please contact me for more. Take care of yourself and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.